Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Night milking, first time. I'm gonna shut this roll-up door, open these gates, let the girls in, commence milking. Let's do it. Okay, gates are open. Girls are slowly making their way in. Looking good. Nice 30-degree day. Well, everybody's pretty content. Let's head in the parlor, take the milkers down, and see if we can't get started. Milkers are down. Parlor's pretty well set up. All we got to do now is go swing the pipeline over the tank. So when the milk comes in, it goes right in the tank. Do that. Lines spun, clamped on, milker's set up. I think I hear Cody pulling in. Let's start milking. Wow, fight to get in here. Take him, bro. First thing you gotta do is get in here and get them all wiped off. And you put them all on, first group. They're all wiped off, ready to go on. Clear. Okay, all the milkers are on, they're all pumping. Some of your best cows right here. Wanting to come in first. Wanting to get milk. Look at her. She wants more than pellets. She's crazy. Atta girl. Look at, feed her. Feed her. Ooh. She probably is one of our best cows. Maybe the best. Look at her. Eat. I'm in here milking with Cody. Cody's the man. He's in the house. There he is. He's feeling good. He's feeling pumped. He's just out of school. And he's in. He switched milkings with my brother tonight. My brother wanted to go watch his son play basketball. Cody's a team player. He switched him, no questions asked. Moving on. Double coming in. Turn and burn, bro. Alright, night milking, we're hard at it. We're moving a little quicker at night because we milk, we're not going 12-hour difference. We're going, for night milking, we go 11. That's so we can get done by 7, 8 o'clock and get home with our families. We're not in the barn until 9, 10 o'clock at night. We don't roll like that. We don't get as much milk but you're picking it up with the family time. What can I say? That's important too. Look at Cody, he's in action. They're ramming in here. Red one wanting to come in. Keep trucking, baby, keep trucking.
Go back. Bye, girl. Got a heifer here. Nice and easy. Atta girl. Take the bag out. Hold. Got a chapped tip. That's what the problem is there.
Right on.
Okay. Alright. Yep.
One here, dominant personality, smart one. Seen the camera sitting there, didn't want to come in. Got her in anyway. This one's got an attitude. I got extra support here to keep this gate shut. She'll let herself out. Some of them know. I think a bunch of them could figure it out, but she's got a little bit of a tells her on. There's that smart one there. I'm obsessed with these pellets. Here you go, girl. Come on, girl. I don't want to make her mad. What you want. So you're going to see as the night goes on, the parlor is going to get a little dirtier and dirtier, full of manure. I'm going to show you all the way to the end there when we got to clean up. Wash the walls down, wash all the milkers, so you'll straighten the top out. So. Automatic. Red one. Come on, girl. Nice and easy. Oh, where did she come out of nowhere? Okay, here's oh wait, this isn't a cow. This is our bull. There's the proof. And this is part of the reason why they're so tame. We let them come right in here and eat. And I mean, you never trust them, but be nice to them because they're doing a lot of work for you. Get going, big boy. Look at that. Barely fits in there. Hold on. A fresh cow just came in. She calved this morning. This is her first milking. Again, that's colostrum coming out of that milker, going into this bucket. That's the advantage of this parlor. Again, 8 stalls, each one gets out, just let out separately if you want. Shut it. There's the exit ramp. In case you're new to these milking videos, but I'm gonna take a little bit out of her so we can feed it to the calf, and we're gonna keep on trucking. So we got some troublemakers out there. They're not wanting to come in. So it's time for us to sweep these stalls out and get it cleaned up. See how we mix the paper right in with that manure. So it's not so mushy and so sloppy. It's more, it thickens it up. Keep on trucking. Okay, we got 2 red ones in a row here, looking good. She knows I'm talking about her. Yep. Pushing on through, night's going pretty good. Cody and I, we milk a lot together, so he knows what I'm gonna do. I know what he's gonna do. We got another cow here in the bucket. You've got to love this parlor for that. I couldn't imagine not being able to, for having to put them in a group. We don't do groups. We just mix them all together. Look at Cody, he's going. How you feeling, Cody?
Pretty good.
He's feeling good. He's doing good. He's an animal. He gets it done. No complaints. All right, we found light at the end of the tunnel. This is one of the last ones milking. Call her Pigpen. One of the few that doesn't like to lay in a stall. I think she's starting to because I see sand underneath. She's getting used to it. So we started sweeping these out. Cody's spraying one down there. He's got another cow on. What we do is we'll start cleaning up. Now we got to clean this parlor up. We got to get it ready for tomorrow morning and do it all over again. So let me get the rest of these out. We'll wash the milkers down. It's starting to get a little cold in here. Nighttime now, till 7 o'clock. 150 cows plus in 3 hours. Not too bad. 2 people, but we get the job done. Let's go farther. So let's rock and roll. All right, milkers are all rinsed down, hanging up. Slops pushed out. Cody's hooking the line up, the wash line. He's gonna head back out there, get the scraper, and he's gonna push all this stuff out of here. Okay, and I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna prep the washer. So these milkers, you're gonna see them, they're gonna get automatically washed. It's gonna just go crazy. And then I'm gonna change the filter and then have to hose all this down, sweep it all out, get it ready for morning. So, how you feeling, Cody?
Good.
Feeling good. It's about 7 o'clock. We want to go home, get done. We want to get something to eat. Something I tell them every time we milk. Start strong, finish strong. All right, you do. All right, got the washer set, Cody. He's getting this stuff scraped out. Open the ramp, a lot of power. He's got a lot of power getting this stuff out of here. A lot of focus, a lot of strength. It's a good workout. That's what I always tell Cody. You start strong, finish strong. Right, Cody? Getting it done. Moving on. All right, and we're back. Hosing this down. Cody's got the manure scraped off. Clean this back wall off. Milkers are washing. Check that out. Put this down for a minute. Boom. All the way down the line. Getting sanitized for tomorrow morning and so on. We milk twice a day like this. I'm gonna get this all cleaned up and we'll set back in. Okay, parlor's clean. Milkers have been washed. We're all ready for morning. How'd we do? Stay pretty clean? We're used to doing that. Cody, how'd you do? Did you stay clean? Yeah, he's an old pro. We know how to stay clean when you're dealing with crap. You get used to it, dodging and weaving, cow splattering. So I hope you like this video. I think I'm gonna go home, drink a big glass of milk, eat dinner, maybe eat some ice cream afterwards. I hope you guys do too. Stay on the dairy products, please. We appreciate it. And make sure you follow me at Kip Sigler Farming on Instagram. And see you in the next video.